My name is Jess. I'm from Canva, and I'm thrilled to be here with you all today. We're here to talk about something that might surprise you. Creative tools aren't just nice-to-haves in real estate. They are your secret weapon for winning more listings and closing deals faster. Think about it. Every agent has access to the same MLS data, the same market insights, and similar tools. So what is it that sets you apart? It's how creatively and efficiently you present that information, and it's how quickly you can turn a listing into marketing magic that stops buyers mid-scroll. So today I'm going to show you how Canva can help you make more money, save more time, and do more with fewer tools so that you can focus on what matters most, growing your business and serving your clients. I'd love to start with a question. How many of you created marketing content this week? Feel free to raise your hand. Love. Now keep your hands up if you felt like you spent more time wrestling with your tools than actually connecting with your message. Yeah, that tension between what you want to say and how to say it visually is exactly what we're here to solve today. I wanted to share some interesting data points with you. This is regarding sales and marketing. According to Canva's Beyond the Numbers report, 90% of sales leaders agree that visual communication has accelerated sales cycles. In our State of Visual Communication report this past year, we found that 90% of decision making happens with visuals. It happens in the subconscious. Before your message is even read, it is felt. And what this means is that before your message is read, it is felt. And of course, we have to talk about AI. In our State of Marketing and AI report, 94% of marketing and creative leaders are embracing AI as a helpful starting point in the creative process. And thankfully for all of you, Keller Williams has partnered with Canva and invested in all of the incredible AI tools available to you. Now, some of you are probably wondering, why is this data important and why does Canva care about creativity and AI in real estate? And it's pretty simple. We are on a mission to democratize design, and we have been since 2012. We believe that great visual communication shouldn't be reserved for agencies with big budgets or teams with design degrees. Today, we empower over 260 million users across 190 countries, from solo agents like many of you to many Fortune 500 companies. At Canva, our goal is to enable people with simple, powerful tools that unlock creativity and productivity. Much like Keller Williams, we're driven by a culture of collaboration, of innovation, and helping others succeed. And that's why what I'm sharing today isn't just about design. It's about giving you the competitive edge to win more business and ultimately build lasting relationships. You all know that your brand is your greatest asset, and so the key to earning trust and inspiring confidence in your customers plays into your marketing message as well. So before Canva, I want to paint a little picture. Creating something new meant juggling multiple tools. A listing presentation, you needed one app for slides, plus a browser to hunt down your images. A video editing, you needed different software entirely. Brainstorming, that's another platform. You need to potentially code a website or write up a listing. More tools, more tabs, more time. Over the last decade, we took the fragmented design ecosystem and we brought it all together in one platform. From property flyers to social posts, yard signs, agents can quickly create professional on-brand materials that connect with your buyers. No brand experience needed. And here's the game changer that we'll be talking about today. It's our AI tools. Our AI tools like Magic Write help you craft compelling property descriptions, social captions, and email campaigns that sound authentically you, but even better. With Canva's visual suite, you have everything you need. All of this, plus a custom MLS integration that we're going to walk through today that I'm so excited to show you, making design fast and easy. So let me paint a picture of your day-to-day with one simple tool. You start with a property listing, and instead of scrambling between different tools, you start with a Canva doc for your property overview. You then use a whiteboard to brainstorm marketing angles with your team. Next, you create a stunning listing presentation for potential buyers. From there, you design a social media post that showcases the property's best features. You can then generate print materials for your open house and even build a dedicated website for high-end listings. All of this is without leaving Canva. It is all on brand, all professional. One unified platform for every design. So now that you've seen Canva at a glance, let's talk about what we're here for, which is how can Canva's AI-powered tools help you create stunning on-brand property marketing in minutes, not just hours. Now, before we jump into the tools, I want to take you on a quick tour of the Canva platform. Now, some of you may be very familiar, and others are just diving in. When you log into Canva, you're greeted with the home page. This is designed for your real estate workflows. Here you can see all the different document types at the top, from presentations, social media, video, websites, emails. It's all right there for you. You can also create from scratch, but more importantly, you can start with a pre-approved brand template, and this ensures that every piece of marketing content you put out stays on brand no matter who creates it. On that note, I want to show you the brand kit. This is the foundation of brand integrity across Keller Williams. In the brand kit on the left-hand side of the screen, you're going to find your logos, colors, and your fonts. Here are your approved logos, primary, secondary, and any variations. Here are all of your colors. With a simple click, you can add them to your document. No need to worry if they're the right color, the right shade. You can find all of your fonts. And then in the future, you can expect to see some photos, graphics, icons, etc. All of this is accessible and ready to use in your designs. Now, let's take a look at the brand templates. These are your pre-designed, brand-approved starting points. From the home page, go ahead and select brand, and then all brand templates up at the top. We're going to scroll through just so you can see a little bit about what is in Canva today available for your use. You can see luxury listing flyers, open house announcements, social media graphics, brochures, and more. You can customize the text, the images, all of the property details. And the beautiful thing is that the core design stays the same throughout all of that. You have the flexibility to personalize while you maintain consistent quality across every touch point. All right, let's get into the good stuff. Let's see how you can quickly create a property flyer. You can see we start with a brand template, which is already published and it's on brand. You simply select use this brand template and it'll make a copy for you. I want to note that this is your individual copy. It's not shared with anybody else until you actively try to share it. Now you can see as I'm clicking around here, you're able to easily edit the address. You can click into the text. You can adjust the bedrooms, the bathrooms, the square footage. You can swap in different images. All of this is wonderful and easy to use, but there is a better way. So up next, I want to show you one of our most powerful features for real estate, and this is the Canva Listings app. The Canva Listings app connects directly with your MLS to auto-populate all of this property data, eliminating errors, saving time, and ensuring every asset uses up-to-date details. For you, this means faster time to market and ensures complete confidence that every listing goes out on brand and on message. And this is where Canva really accelerates your time to market. So let's see how it works. What was that?
How do we populate the MLS ID onto it?
I'll show you. All right, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on the Keller Williams listing app and search for your property. So again, I've come into a template, and on the left-hand side of the screen, you're going to go to your apps and integrations section. You'll find the Keller Williams app. And from there, this is where you can start the search. So you can either look at just your individual listings or all listings, and you can also type in that search bar the address, the city, or the zip code. So let's say we want to insert this address here. You can simply drag it over and start putting these items into your design. So you'll notice that we have all of the photos here, and we also have all of the property details up at the top. So as we click on the address, you'll see that it's going to drop into the design, and we can also pull over any images and swap them for another. So I'll let the video play here and kind of talk you through it. So with one click, we brought that address over, no typing necessary. We're adjusting the title up at the top. We're playing around, making the font a little bit bigger, adjusting the font to be actually on brand, not Canva Sans. Beautiful. And as I mentioned, the same goes for images, a simple drag and drop. So you have all of the images beautifully selected for you on the left-hand side. You can choose which one you'd like to showcase the most. Easily drag and drop, replace the same photos at the bottom. After you do these quick wins, you can update any other important details without ever leaving your design. This truly does take what used to be an hour-long process and reduces it down to minutes. You still have the ability to edit, but this is how you accelerate your time to market listing. Amazing. So since the flyer is almost ready, I would love to show you our real estate users' favorite tools to add to your tool belt. Now, let's say in this flyer in specific, we want to adjust the headshot to make it stand out more. You simply click on the photo, then click on Edit, and click on Background Remover. Once I click on Background Remover, Canva removes the background automatically using AI, and the photo is ready to go. It's magically transformed. You can adjust as necessary. With one click button, you have a professional look, no highly trained design skills required. Let's look at another favorite AI tool. This one is Magic Erase. Now, let's say in this photo, there's an unwanted object that we want to remove. Perhaps in this instance, we want to remove the horse on the fireplace and just want it to be a regular fireplace, no art on it at all. You can again use the brush functionality as you're seeing here, or my favorite is actually to utilize the click functionality. So by going up to Eraser and Magic Erase, I can switch over to click. AI is going to scan that photo for all the different elements. Once that's complete, I'll click on the horse image and click Erase. And within a second or two, voila, your photo is magically transformed and the fireplace is visible. This helps you present your properties in the best possible light, instantly fixing small imperfections that require professional editing. Now let's look at one more AI feature that's used all the time, and this one is Magic Write. And if you've not played with Magic Write, I would really encourage you to. It's really powerful, and I think you'll find a lot of value in it. So Magic Write is Canva's AI writing assistant, and as an example, you can see that we're adjusting the property description. So say we didn't want that bulleted list that we saw, we actually want it to be a bit more of a story, a short story, if you will. What you can do is simply insert the description, which we've done, and right now we're asking Magic Write to shorten it and to make it more fun. So you'll notice as it's generating it, you have the ability to just add it to your design to replace it. With one click, we can replace, and then it's a little too long still for the space we have in our flyer, so we'll go ahead and shorten it. We'll replace it as well. And then with some slight tweaks to that text box, it all fits. All on brand. So in seconds, you can see that Magic Write quickly replaced that copy, made it more engaging, more persuasive. And you can generate this marketing language, even if writing isn't your strength, helping your listings get the attention that they deserve. Okay, and finally, I want to talk about efficiency. Our flyer is ready, and we need to prepare to publish. You can share it across multiple channels, social media, email, and website. Our AI-powered resize tool makes it easy to design multiple sizes in just a click. With one click on resize, you can automatically adjust and adapt this to fit for Instagram posts, Facebook posts, Instagram stories, LinkedIn, truly whatever you need. In this example here, we've actually taken that initial flyer and we've made it into an Instagram story. You can see that the dimensions have changed, and now all we need to do is adjust some of the elements to better fit however we want it to look. So in this video, you're noticing that we're moving around the logo a little bit. We're making these two photos that were once small a little bit larger. And you can continue editing as you see fit. Now, because this is an Instagram story, perhaps I want to add another page, and I want to have it say coming soon with an animated arrow. So what you're seeing here is I've just added a new page. I'm quickly adding a heading that says coming soon. I'm able to adjust the background color to be the Keller Williams red that's on brand. I can adjust the text so that it is white instead of black on that red background. And I mentioned the animated arrow. So when you go over to the Elements tab on the left-hand side, you can type in animated arrow, take a look at all of the options that exist, and with one click, drop that arrow into that page, and you're nearly ready to go. I'll let the demo keep going just a little bit longer so I can show you the repositioning. So with one click, it's dropped onto the slide. I've adjusted it. I'm going to put the coming soon as the first page, not the second. So you'll see me grab that at the bottom and move it to the top. And what's so cool about this is what used to require recreating designs multiple times. Imagine having to start from scratch and building that again. You don't have to waste your time with that any longer. And I would be remiss not to mention Canva's, all of our Canva integrations. You can connect this post with our content scheduler, which goes out on social media. You can print. We have multiple integrations. And the beautiful thing is that all of this takes place from the MLS listing that we walked through to a fully branded multi-channel content in under 10 minutes. Wonderful. Well, thank you for having me. That is the end of my demo today. We're so excited about our partnership. We have a booth right over here. We would love for you to come by and say hi, chat with us. We can walk through any questions you might have or show you something cool that you might want to explore. But thank you so much for your time, and we're excited to see what you create with Canva.